Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the adware type application. This adware application is called Info Software Copyright 2023. Info Software Copyright 2023. Now, you may trace this adware through the task manager. So, open the task manager and you will see several processes like that. Info Software Copyright 2023. You may right click on them and select the option to open file location. So, this will bring you to a special application called info.exe. But the trouble is that this program cannot be found in the control panel of your computer. Still, this info adware may be integrated with many free applications. If this adware gets installed, it starts to display the huge portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So anyway, if you have checked your computer and if you see this Info Software Copyright 2023 as the process, you should undertake the measures and clean your computer immediately. What we recommend you to do is carefully researching your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then once it gets installed, start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.